In July 2016, a woman named Amanda was driving to the pharmacy to get medication for her son, whom she'd left home alone. She's a resident of Layton, Utah. Being a concerned mother with a child home alone waiting for her, she tried to go a little over the speed limit and ended up crashing her car into another one. She called the police to the scene, but when they arrived and assessed the situation, they began to doubt her sobriety. She submitted to a blood alcohol test, but doesn't show any cooperation. This behavior on her part made the policeman decide to immobilize her with cuffs and then begin a body search while maintaining her with the handcuffs. The video of the search was recorded by the dashcam, and you can see that the body search agitated Amanda, who decided to file a complaint against the officer for sexual misconduct and making inappropriate gestures on her chest. Her complaint was, however, rejected by the authorities after checking the dashcam footage, which, according to them, showed the officer employing standard search protocol. No doubt she'll think twice before speeding ever again in her life.